Hi string players, I'm going to play Beethoven's Ode to Joy. This is from his Ninth Symphony, and sometimes this chorus is called Joyful, Joyful, We Adore Thee. 2, 3. This is the harmony for violin or viola. 1, 2, 3. On line 3, where you have the A, B flat, B flat, B, B, C sharp. It's just a little bit tricky. First you play open A, then you play B flat, so you play your first finger back, and then you put your first finger on the tape for B, and then C sharp, third finger. That's all. Bass players, anytime you want to, you have the option to play a low A, your open A string, instead of the high A, and that will give it a richer sound. This is what it would sound like if I were playing it on the bass with the open low A's. 1, 2, 3. Measure 11, when you have the A, B flat, B flat, B, B, C sharp, your fingering, imagine that this is a bass, would be on the low A string, A, B flat with a raised first finger, A, B flat, B flat, B, B, C sharp, 4, and then open D. So A, B flat, B flat, B, B, C sharp, then D. That's how you would play measure 11, bass players, if you were playing the low version.